let's just admire it for a minute. I'm gonna show you how I unravel my twist for my twist out. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but I'm gonna show you my I really hate that I'm doing this to my hair right now. So I put it on like this. Alright, so I put these twists in my hair on Friday. So I am twisting my hair up. I've washed it. It's Friday. Today is Sunday, and I'm going to unravel them. I'm going to show you how I unravel my twists for my twist out. And then I'm also going to share how I care for them every night. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe if you like natural hair content. Comment below if there's anything else that you would like to see. Thank you for being here. We're gonna start. So the first thing that I like to do is I want to section my hair. And that's just so that I can see my hair. First, I'm gonna be using the Pattern Argan oil blend. I wanna make sure that you put the oil on your fingers. More so on your fingers because that's what you're gonna be using to unravel. I like to also put the oil on my hair, like on each twist individually. Start with these two. We're looking for where the hair naturally splits. That makes for a better pull. That makes for a better thing. So look for where the hair naturally splits to pull it, to section it. And I was all you had. My heart is in fire. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you. This is another reason why I'm taking my twist out now, because if I let it sit in my hair for too long, with my twist being this small, it's not gonna give me the volume that I want over time. It's gonna be like straight and straggly, I guess I would say. And I don't want it to look like that. I want like volume. I just like to hold it taut when I'm doing it. Like hold it and let it flip on one. Treat me this way and still I stay. See my days are cold without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on going. You see how that just naturally broke apart? That's what I mean. It's kind of hard to explain where it naturally splits, but if you are taking your time and taking it apart, it'll naturally pull where it needs to. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you gorge. It's so pretty. Okay, so we probably have this whole part here, but I just like finger comb it. To make it where all of the pieces are like that. All right, so this is where it gets fun. Bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on betting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on betting. I trust in you. I trust in you. Good. Boom. This is about to be nasty work. Like, this is about to be a bomb. A very bomb twist out. To film a lot of content this week while this hair is like so bomb. The front of my hair always gets frizzy first, so I just want to make sure that I'm just taking my time. I don't even really have to pick this out as much as I thought I was gonna have to. This is like chef's kiss. Last section, y'all. I think I've been doing twist outs now for the past 2 months. And I want to say that these twist outs are like what's helping my hair grow. I just cut my hair. I cut my hair in February. And my hair is like growing back already. And I think it is washing it every week and 2-strand twists. I'm looking forward to showing you how I keep my hair every day. Like how am I gonna get it back like this after I sleep on it? I don't know what that's gonna look like. But I'm gonna show you my hair, what I do in my routine every day that helps me keep it. And I'm not gonna, you know, deviate from what I normally do. I'm gonna do exactly what I normally do, which isn't much. So I hope that your expectations aren't too high. I'm definitely a low maintenance natural. I try to do the bare minimum as much as possible. And it's literally giving me the volume that I want. I'm not gonna have to pick my hair out too much, which is also manipulation, which also can lead to more frizz. But like I told you, I'm more on volume. So if you are a defined girl, which definition helps your hair to last longer, hence me doing it smaller. So I want it to last like all week. I am in love. Like I wish I would have did this earlier so that I could have shot content earlier, but I'm doing this literally like before bed.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window.
Acting like a zombie. Standing at the door acting like a zombie. Huh? Look at that. Don't really even have to fluff it out too much. Like, let's just admire it for a minute. It's bomb. It's so bomb. Like, look at it. Like, look at it. Like, it's perfect. It's like volumey. It's big. It's everything that I could imagine. And I'm so sad that I'm not even going to be able to use it, like to see it like this. But it's bomb. Like, it is so cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. So this is how I take it out. This is it. Again, I normally like we fluff it, you know, like a little bit, but I don't need that. I mean, it's gonna continue to expand as I sleep on it and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna bother it too much because I want it to last. I'm gonna show you how I wrap it up at night. It is satin line all the way through. So it's good for natural hair. And it has this little adjustable thing, so it adjusts for you, like for your head and stuff. I very rarely adjust it because even my bonnet, even though it's an extra big, extra large one, stuff on my head, because my hair is so thick, it makes my head hurt. I really hate that I'm doing this to my hair right now. So I put it on like this, and then I'm gonna go over my head. We're gonna go over like this. And protect the curls like this. All right, I go a step further than that, okay? Again, this is the back, but I put it here so I can adjust it to my head. I wanna make sure that I have all of my hair. Before adjusting it, my hair is gonna be like back. What I do is I go in And I try my best to like put my hair down as much as I can. So it's not like back, like predator, alien, right? So I push it down. What I'm doing is I'm bringing my hair like that would be on the side of my face. Like I'm bringing it down like around my face. Basically is what I'm doing, so that it'll actually lay down as opposed to be like up. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm laying it down. So it's like coming over my ear type vibe, coming down over my ear, right? So then after that, I make sure that all of my hair is in. So I kind of pull it up here to make sure that all of my hair is on the inside of this. You can get these longer if you have longer natural hair. Then after I do that, I adjust it to my head, which I tell you, I don't really adjust it, but if you need it to be kind of on your head, you do need it to be on your head because you don't want it to fall off while you're asleep. So I'll adjust it just a little bit so that it's on there and it won't fall off. And then I just go to sleep on my hair. And I'm a side sleeper. So you can actually tell if you pay attention, I'm a side sleeper. You can see sometimes that one side of my hair will be more defined than the other because I have a tendency to sleep more on my left side than on my right side. But I try to sleep evenly. So I try to sleep on my left side, then on my right side, so my hair looks the same. So it's kind of exposed here. It's not supposed to be. Sometimes I'll like wrap it like that, and then I'll use like an alligator clip to clip it like that so that it's closed. Good morning. I have to take my hair down, so I'm going to show you how I do that. We're going to loosen it up here and then pull. Here's the big reveal. This will do for me. To make it bigger, I could get in the shower and have like a really hot, steamy shower, and that will help my hair like really fall the way I want to. It didn't do too bad. It's pretty decent. And that is it.